Hello, friends. Can't believe that January is almost over. So I'm so sorry if it's taking a while. I'm still undecided on how I would present my vlog, like if it's weekly, monthly, but definitely not every day because I could only take videos of me running and doing my workout so much every day, and you're gonna be bored watching me doing that and presenting. That's another kind of like a difficulty part of doing this video recording every day is because part of me is wanting to do something perfect, but at the same time it should not be if I aim for perfection. And it's just good that I'm learning, I'm developing myself as a speaker, because that's really the goal of this me doing this. And then I'm also kind of like practicing video editing and lighting. I don't know if you can notice it. I kind of have a highlight here and a light over here, cameras over there. Like, that's awesome. And it's also me holding myself accountable of what I've been doing, or what I will be doing in this year, and comparing it from where I was at the start of the year. So yeah, I should not let perfection get in the way. I just want to share what I've been doing this whole month. So you've seen in the first week of January, I uploaded my first 2 videos in YouTube. And that was an accomplishment because I haven't posted anything there for a while. And then I'm also doing a lot of running, everyday running, and I had a few runs with Simon. In the last years that he's been running, he doesn't usually go running outside when it's winter. So we got him a new running pants, running tights that he could use to go out and venture outside. So that's good that he's using it. We also had a polar vortex in Alberta. So we reached like down to -40, -50. Luckily, we did not have any frozen pipes, knock on wood. So I'm also training for 2 marathons. I signed up for the Calgary Run in May, so that's a 60K distance, and also one in October. I think that's the Thanksgiving weekend at Canmore for the Grizzly Marathon, and that is a 50K trail run. So I've been doing some strength training as well, because I noticed that when you do trail running, you really use your quads, your calves a lot. So I would definitely need all the muscles that I can get, but at the same time, because that would also require me getting or working on my fuel, working on my nutrition so that I can gain those muscles. I signed up for Run Dot. It's a running program. They picked me up. They just sent me an email confirmation that I've been selected as one of their guinea pigs. So that's good. I get a 2 months free running training app or what. I really have no idea, but I'm gonna be one of those runners that will be using their training program, and they're gonna use the data that I will be providing them on their record, which is actually good because I want to be contributing to that. I'm not an elite runner, but anything that I could provide, any aid, information, help that would help future runners, I'm up for it. I also did a 72-hour fasting first week of January just to reset my guts after all the food that I've been eating during the holidays. So that was a unique experience. It definitely reset my guts. Like too much information, but my poop went well, just so you know. I'm consistently doing an 18-hour fasting, and then once a week a 36-hour fasting as well. But as I get down to the weight that I really want, then that's when I'm gonna start just retaining it so that I can just focus more on my running, on training for my runs, because it's hard to lose weight and at the same time when you're also trying to work on your nutrition so that you can run efficiently. And fasting is not a good tool when you're training for long distance running. You don't want to be bailing out at the end of your run. So I don't want to be in that situation. So as soon as I reach the weight goal that I want, then I'll focus more on my training. Another thing that I'm working on is my organizational skills. I'm using Google Calendar. I also have a job tracker sheet that I did on Google Sheet, just so I can keep a record of all the applications that I submitted. I'm also getting familiarized with Trello. I have an accomplishment tracker too, so that I can keep track of all the activities that I did in a day. So keeps me on track of where I'm at. So it's kind of like my journey map of what I've been doing. I'm also using my phone calendar, my notes, whenever I have an idea or things that I do, instead of retaining or trying to work on my brain to hold that memory so that I won't forget it. I'm just writing it down so that I can focus on something else while I already have that activity or information saved on my phone. What's new for Image by Myla, that's my photography. I posted my first blog of the year about a struggling artist. If you haven't read that yet, please visit my website, www.mylaleoncito.com. I'm good for the first month, so I'm gonna be working on my February release, so watch out for that. I did my first wedding book. Miranda and Paige, those are my brides. I presented them their wedding books, and Miranda confirmed the order, so it's on its way. I can't wait to deliver the wedding book to her very soon. And another thing I learned when I was paginating, or when I was selecting photos for the wedding book, is that I should work on this concept and then shoot. Because what happened in this scenario is that I'm trying to curate a story out of all the pictures that I took, when it should be I'm thinking of the story. So it kind of like a storyboard, and then execute it. I think it will be much easier, so next time that I cover a wedding, I will put that into practice. On advertising, marketing, I should work on that It's not my greatest forte, I would say, but I am a work on progress, so I will be working on marketing because I don't have any wedding books yet for 2024, which is gonna suck if I don't. I'm hoping to at least book one or two weddings. Before, it's not really a concern just because I do have a full-time job, but right now I could use little more activities on the side. I have a maternity and baby photo coming up very soon. I'm so excited because the mom is an artist as well. So she brought up this idea of what she wanted to do for her maternity photos. So I'm kind of excited for that. Yeah, and I'm gonna share you the photos once we've done it. I've been trying new recipes, just so you know, because I love eating. And I did some Filipino dessert made of rice, because you know, Filipinos, we love our rice very much. Rice is life. Doing baking a lot because I'm planning to go back to farmers market come springtime, and tried making waffles, chunky cookies. What else? I tried making inutak. It's a Filipino dessert made of sticky rice and purple yam jam. So yeah, is of course my job hunting. I started it early first week of January. So far, I'm still working on it. I'll give you an update once I got a new or find a new job. Hopefully, it's gonna be a remote or hybrid so that I can do other things that I want, including being creative. Because you know, being creative would also requires you to be creative on on your time management, which is very important if you want to accomplish something. I enrolled in product management course at SAIT. It will start on the 27th. Losing my job kind of give me a different perspective that now I can really plan where I want to be or what I want to do. The only challenge I've found so far is because I have no prior experience as a product manager, so it's really hard to get that interview. So right now I'm working on my skills as a presenter, as a storyteller, organizational skills, time management, prioritization, leadership skills, so that if time comes that I will be a product manager, the partial skills are already there. I attended the product Calgary event also this month. I signed up for membership. I'm not sponsored or anything, but it is a great community if you want to become a product manager, or if you're in a different profession but still wanted to connect with other experts in the industry. Because I've met web designers, engineers, software developers. So if you're into this kind of industry and you're in Calgary area, I recommend that you sign up for the membership and get to meet these wonderful people in the community. Priya, the president of Product Calgary, did a talk about storytelling. So we're almost done, you people. So I'm still snowboarding. We only went once this month, sadly. And lastly, but not the least, I got my first tattoo. Yay! Yeah, so that's it for me. I'm looking forward to February, and we'll be giving you an update if I do something unique. special or just dumb, I will share it to you guys. So yeah, thanks again for tuning in and have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye bye.